welcome to Trucker Dashcam Sweden. First, I just want to say that this is not a regular dashcam video, so if you are looking for that, you probably want to click on something else, some older videos. I just want to make a little update and tell you that currently I'm not driving. It's actually been almost a year now because of some medical issues with my head. So I know a lot of people send messages to me and tell me that I've seen my truck, but actually I'm not the one driving it, but it's still really fun to hear from you all. It was about a year now since the last time I was in the truck, and I actually left it in an ambulance with some very helpful. With some, I was at a customer and got some very necessary help from them. I'm very grateful for the things that they did. But so this is not a dashcam video, but since we are in the magnificent Swedish summer, I would love to share with you some beautiful scenery from a little adventure here next to the sea, and also some adventure on a very cozy forest lake. So if you like that, please stay and watch, and I'll see you next time. Hello. Hello. Cool looking rocks. Oh, some rocks beneath as well. Oh, Jesus. relaxing paddle. Not row, but whirly. What do you say? Maybe it's time for some Swedish fika. Thank you. And okay, no, wait, no stuff.